What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and today we have a care package. This package actually comes from the Coin Crew. Now, if you look, there's no label on it. The reason is because I just finished building Coin Crew a second computer for doing their YouTube stuff, because they wanted one for a different location, and I built them an even better one than last time, and the one I just built them is actually better than what I have, so props to them for an amazing PC. And he dropped off this care package, and you know, I told him, yeah, give me some stuff, I'll give it away. I'll do some giveaways on the stream or whatever. And so we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. Now, he didn't tell me what was in here, so I'm pretty excited to see what it is. That is it, empty package after that. And then of course you see inside. So he was planning on sending this UPS or USPS, but he drove again all the way down from Michigan to pick up the PC, because with PCs with the very, very heavy parts that I put in them and the huge coolers and everything else, I just don't trust, you know, I don't trust the post office or anyone else to transport it without just throwing it around and it breaking, you know, and all sorts of damage. So we're gonna go ahead and get it open, guys. My plan is to eventually give away every single one of these on the channel. And as you can see, we have the first one sitting here in the top, and it is in a sealed plastic bag. So let's take a look at it. It says Leadington Coin Club 50-year anniversary, 1962 to 2012. And then it is marked 1 troy ounce of 99 fine silver from the United States of America. Very, very cool. So you got the eagle on the reverse, like the Morgan Eagle design, except for it's got the shield. But you get, you know, it's kind of beautiful silver eagle is what I should say. So let's get into it. There was only one in that fold. He said he sent me a baker's dozen. So Keith from the Coin Crew, again, thank you. A baker's dozen. So let's see what all is in here. And we'll slide. Well, I'll tell you what, let's have some fun with it. Let's pull them out one at a time instead of revealing them all at once. So the next up, we have a 2019 1 ounce silver Republic of Ghana African leopard. Guys, we've had these on the channel before. These things are really, really beautiful. Very cool. So we'll be, at some point, we'll be giving one of those away from the Coin Crew. Bam. This one right here, look, it's got his little flip on it. This one right here, we have a Philharmonic. This is a 2019 1 ounce silver Philharmonic. Those are also very, very beautiful. All right, what else is in here? This is a big one. I think it's a mint or proof set. It is. It's a Canada, so it says Canada on it. And the US proof sets, even though they're in yellow envelopes, did I really already break a glove? Even though they're in yellow envelopes like that, they'll have like the date and all that down there in United States Mint. And yes, of course, as we flip it over and open it up, you can see we do have a Canadian proof set. And it appears to be a 1965 Canadian proof set. How awesome is that? So there's some silver in this set. Very cool. And it has this uncirculated. Oh, it's an uncirculated set, so it's not a proof set. It could have fooled me. They look really nice. They look like they have a proof finish. But anyway, very, very cool. So we have a Canadian mint set. Boy, it could have fooled me. Those really do look proof, but they just must be that shiny. All right, let's see what else is in here. Again, everything is a surprise to me. I have no idea what's in this. Bam. Okay, we have an 1887 Morgan silver dollar. Guys, that is a nice Morgan too. Look at the luster. Flip that over to the reverse. That is absolutely uncirculated, no question at all. And we're going to be giving this away at some point. Holy smokes. Man, maybe I should just delete this video and be like, hey, yeah, he gave me this stuff. But no, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. Take a look at that, guys. A beautiful 1887 uncirculated Morgan. That thing is gorgeous. All right, what's next? This is fun. All right, here we go. Bam. All right, we have a, this is a Noah's Ark. This is from the Republic of Armenia. This is a 2019, so a 2019 1 ounce silver. And that is the Noah's Ark. These are really cool. We've had these on the channel for quite a few years. I do love that series. There's more in here, guys. He said a baker's dozen. Man, there's a lot. All right, this one's in a capsule. I can feel it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, this is, all right, from the Cayman Islands, a Marlin. Take a look at that. 1 ounce and 99 fine Marlin, 2018 in the capsule. These are really cool. I love on the reverse around the queen, you see the wavy lines like her head's on the water. That is cool. All right, we got more in here, guys. So what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there should be 6 more items in here. All right, here we go. Next up, a Cougaran 2019 1 ounce silver Cougaran, also in one of his flips. Very cool. Love it. All right, so that puts us at 8. So there's 5 to go, supposedly. And I do feel quite a few things still in here. Here we go. Next one. Guys, look at that. This is, what year is this? 2019. So a 2019 1 ounce silver Somali Republic elephant. Gorgeous 1 ounce elephant. I do like the elephant, the Somali Republic Wildlife Elephant series. I've had these every year for the last few years, and they're gorgeous. There's a little bit of a milk spot right there next to the T, but you know, for free, what are you gonna do? That is cool. All right, so here we go. We're gonna put all these in. This is cool. All right, let's see. What do we have? Oh, this one feels like it's in a cardboard 2.5 by 2.5. It's too big for a 2x2, so it's got to be a 2.5 by 2.5. All right, here we go. Bam, and I was right. A 1993 Silver Eagle. Man, I did break that glove. Anyway, a 1993 American Silver Eagle. 1 ounce of 999 fine silver. A little bit of a tone spot going on right there around the 1 ounce. And actually you can see it on this side as well. Yeah, same spot. So it's like toning right here on this corner. You can see next to the B in Liberty, and flip it over. This is the opposite side on the 1 ounce. But gorgeous 1993 Silver Eagle. All right, so there should be 1, 2, 3 left, and I do feel 3. This one also feels like it's in a 2.5. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Choo, guys, and we have a 1987 Silver Eagle. Also a little tone spot right there on the Z. And, ooh, I almost dropped it. And a little tone spot above, In God We Trust. Man, that is cool, though. Guys, that is... So that's 2 Silver Eagles we now have. That's cool. So that puts us at 11, leaving us with just 2. I feel 1 in a flip and 1 in a capsule. Let's go ahead and do with the 1 in the flip first. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, here we go. A 2019 1 ounce silver Australian kangaroo. Really love this series. We've had plenty of these. I even have a bunch of slabbed ones here and there. And gorgeous 1 ounce silver kangaroo. Absolutely love that. All right. So here we go, guys. This finishes out the package. Excited to see what we have. Okay, here we go. Last one. You can hear it in the capsule. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What is this? 2019... Okay, you got Queen Elizabeth 2 pounds, so it's a Great Britain. It looks like a coat of arms. You got a lion and a unicorn. I actually don't know what this is called. I've never had one of these. So this is actually new for me. I don't actually have one of these. That is really cool. I'm going to have to do some research and figure out what that thing is. But you got the lion and the unicorn there left and right. Looks like the crown is around the unicorn's neck. It's interesting. And then, of course, a crown above the coat of arms. And yeah, that is really neat. I like it. And you got 2 pounds Elizabeth. This looks like it's Great Britain, but really cool. I've never had one of those. All right, guys. So just to recap, we did get a baker's dozen of items from the Coin Crew. Very generous of them to do this. And, you know, thank you. That's really cool. Let's go ahead and just kind of line them up here. So 10, 11, 12. And finally... this Canadian set. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 12. We got a Morgan silver dollar. Absolutely gorgeous Morgan. Of course, we have the Canadian set, and then everything else was 1 ounce silver each. So a lot of silver that we're going to be using in giveaways over the coming few weeks to a month or two. So very excited about that. Thank you so much again to the Coin Crew, to Angel and Keith. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being part of the community. And guys, thank you for watching and being here on this channel. I do appreciate it, and we will see you in the very next video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.